2023 Beta Dual Sport lineup first look. The four models are virtually identical. The 2023 Beta Dual Sport lineup of four dirt-oriented street-legal motorcycles is here. The four models are virtually identical, other than the bores and strokes used by the 500, 430, 390, and 350 flavors. There are upgrades to the suspension, electronics, and ergonomics, so let's get to it. The RRS lineup gets the same suspension as the dirt-only RR models. Sachs ZF suspension is used all around. The fork is updated from last year, with new oil passages designed to reduce cavitation. Additionally, the range of damping adjustment is increased. The shock is a piggyback-reservoir design with a linkage helping out. New ECU mapping includes traction control. The 2023 Beta Dual Sport motorcycles have two power modes, wet and dry, and the traction control is optimized for each mode. Traction control can be turned on or off in either mode. The radiator shrouds are narrower for 2023, making it easier for the rider to move around on the bike. Beta updated the graphic, going with red for most of the bodywork. The four motors have different characteristics. The 500 and 430 share the same stroke and use discrete bores, while the 390 and 350 have identical bores and different strokes. The 390 and 350 are 2 pounds lighter than the 500 and 430. Trailtech Voyager GPS units return as a standard feature. In addition to GPS functionality, the unit provides engine monitoring, along with the ability to download trail maps. The 2023 Beta Dual Sport lineup gets an across-the-board $500 price hike. All four models are in a $300 price spread, encouraging you to buy the model that works best for you, rather than worrying about the price. Buyers who like to have their bikes factory customized will be happy to know the BYOB, Build Your Own Beta, program is back for 2023. We have tested the Beta 500 RRS. 2023 Beta 500 RRS, 430 RRS, 390 RRS, and 350 RRS specs. Engine type: single-cylinder 4-stroke. Displacement: 478 cubic centimeters, 430, 431 cubic centimeters, 390, 386 cubic centimeters, 350, 349 cubic centimeters. Borex stroke: 100 by 60.8 mm, 430, 95 by 60.8 mm, 390, 88 by 63.4 mm, 350, 88 by 57.4 mm. Compression ratio: 11.9 to 1, 430, 12.3 to 1, 390, 12.5 to 1, 350, 13.2 to 1. Starting: electric, kick optional. Fueling: EFI-W/42 mm throttle body W/dual injectors. Valve train: DOHC, 4 valves, titanium intake, steel exhaust. Lubrication: separate oil for engine and transmission W/dual oil pumps. Transmission: 6-speed. Clutch: hydraulically actuated diaphragm style. Final drive: O-ring chain. Chassis. Frame: double cradle chromoly steel. Front suspension: travel, fully adjustable 48 mm inverted Sachs ZF open cartridge fork, 11.6 inches. Rear suspension: travel, linkage assisted fully adjustable Sachs ZF aluminum body, piggyback-reservoir shock, 11.4 inches. Wheels: Excel Takasago. Tires: Maxxis Enduro. Front tire: 90/90x21. Rear tire: 140/80x18. Front brake: 260 mm floating Galfer disc W/4 piston Nissan caliper. Rear brake: 240 mm Galfer disc W/2 piston Nissan caliper. Dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase: 58.7 inches. Seat height: 37 inches. Ground clearance: 12.6 inches. Fuel tank capacity: 2.4 gallons. Curb weight: 257 pounds, 390 and 350, 255 pounds. Prices: 2023 Beta 500 RRS, $11,799 MSRP. 2023 Beta 430 RRS, $11,699 MSRP. 2023 Beta 390 RRS, $11,599 MSRP. 2023 Beta 350 RRS, $11,499 MSRP.